Morning students, as you know, we are doing the chapter admission of partner and we have solved 7 types of situation or 7 types of problem when a partner enters. Now, I am taking a different type of problem. This is the question. There are 3 partners in a firm A, B, C. And they are dividing their profit in the ratio 5:3:2. D is admitted for 3/10 share. D is admitted and he says that he will take 3/10 share of the profit. Sacrificing ratio of A and B is 2:1. It means when D is admitted, at that time C will not sacrifice any share, okay, and only A and B will sacrifice, and their sacrificing ratio is given in your question 2:1. Find new ratio. Now let's see how will we solve this question. First of all, we will solve calculation here. A's A, B, C and D. First of all, as I have told you, the total share, let total share is equal to 1. D's part, D's share is 3/10 and B's share is unaffected. Now we will see this 3/10, this 3/10 will be fulfilled by A and B, and their ratio is given in the question 2:1. Means A's share will be 3/10 will be fulfilled by, in this ratio, which is sacrificing ratio, 2:1 means 2/3. Now 3 2 ja 5, 10 3 ja 30. 5/30 will come. We can solve it in another way. If we cut it short, 3 cancel out by 3, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja. We can write here 1/5 also. Okay, B's share. B is that share which B will sacrifice. 3/10 into 1/3. 3 cancel out by, we can write here 1/10. If we want to make the denominator equal, we can multiply. Otherwise, we can write the same. Now we will write as questions demand. In the question given 5/10, A's part was and B's part was 3/10, C's part 2/10 and D's part, as in the question given, 3/10. And now we will see A will sacrifice 1/5. We can write as we have found out, and B will sacrifice 1/10. Now we will solve the question. We will take LCM. 10 10 1 ja 1 5 ja 5 5 2 ja 2 1 ja 2. 3 upon 10 will come here. Denominator are same, so we can write directly 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 10. These denominators are already equal, so we can write new ratio. New ratio is equal to 3 is to 2 is to 2 is to 3. In this way, we will solve this question, and now I am taking another type of situation. This is a question A, B, C are 3 is to 2 is to 1 partners. D is admitted for 1/6 share. C would retain his original share. Find new ratio. Old partners name A, B, C, and they are dividing their profit in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. D is a new partner in this question, and he will get 1/6 share. This is one problem, and the other problem is C would retain his original share. C is saying that he is not going to sacrifice. C is saying that I am not going to sacrifice any part for D. It means D's share will not be affected on addition of D. Okay, this is the problem and this is the problem. Now we will solve this question. Let's see. First of all, we will write let total share is equal to 1. D's share is given in your question 1/6, and C, this is C, C's share will be 1/6. This will be also 1/6 because 1 is the part of C and total 3 to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and 6 will be the denominator. As you know, in this way we will write 1/6 part of the C, and C's part will not be affected. So C's part will also be 1/6, and D's part in the question given 1/6. So we will find the remaining share. Remaining share for A and B will be 1 minus 1/6 plus 1/6. So what will we do? 2/6 we can write because denominator are same. We can add both of these digits directly. Now 6 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4/6. This 4/6 will be the part of remaining shareholders, remaining the partner A and B. So we will write the question A, B and C. A's part and B's part we will have to find out. First of all, we will write this 4/6 in front of A and in front of B. While you know C's part is unaffected, we will write here, and D's part will be given in the question 1/6. So we will write 1/6 in front of C and 1/6 in front of D. After doing this, we will find out 4 upon 6 will be sacrificed by A and B both, but they are not equal partner. When they are not equal partner, it means A's part and B's part we will have to find. So we will have to find A and B's share is given in the question 3:2. So this 4 upon 6 will be divided into 3:2 means 3 upon 5, and B's part will be 2 upon 5, and after doing this, when we solve this question, the question will be solved. Let's see. Twelve upon 60 will come. 8 upon 30 will come. This is 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. So we will make the denominator equal. If we multiply here 2, (16 upon 60 will come. This is 12 upon 60. This is 16 upon 60. If we multiply here by 10, means 10 upon 60 will come, and in the same way here will be 10 upon 60. Now all the denominators have been made equal, so we will find the new ratio. Will be 12:16:10:10. Now we can cut it short. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, or 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 8 is 16, 2 6 are 12. In this way we will solve. Now the new ratio will be 6:8:5:5. This will be the new ratio. Students, I think you have understood both the question very well. Now we can understand this question again. Let total share of the firm will be 1. D's share is given in your question. C's share will be remain same as in the question given, 1 upon 6. And after doing this, we will find out A's part and B's part, A's share or B's share. 1 minus both the part will be added, and after that we will deduct from 1. In this way we will find 4 upon 6. After doing this, we will write here the name of the partners A, B, C, D. C's share is given 1 upon 6, D's share is given 1 upon 6. And when we find this 4 upon 6 for A and B, this will be distributed between A and B in the ratio of A and B. A and B's ratio is given in the question 3:2. That was the old ratio. And when we distribute this 4 upon 6 into 3:2, in this way we will find 12 upon 60, and here we will find 8 upon 30, and here we will already given 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. After that we will make the denominator equal and find the new ratio. Last problem, when a partner entered or admitted in the firm. This is the 10th problem. The problem is A and B are 4:1 partners. It means A and B are the partners and they are dividing the profit in the ratio 4:1. Now you are seeing a new word, surrenders. A surrenders 1/4 of his share. This of is very important. The word surrender means sacrifice. It means A sacrifices 1/4, but 1/4 of his share. Whatever the share of A is, he will sacrifice 1/4 of that share. And B surrenders 1/2 of his shares. But you are seeing the new partner is not given. The student, the name of new partner is given in the question, and this is C. Because A and B are sacrificing their share in the favor of C. It means C is admitted. Okay? Find new ratio. So let's see how we can solve this question. A, B and C. C is the new partner. Now we will see A's part is given, A's share is given 4/5 and 1/5. As is in the question given, A surrenders means minus 1/4 of his share. What was his share? 4/5, and we will find the 1/4 share of 4/5. In the same way, B is sacrificing his share. What was his share? 1/5, and he is sacrificing 1/2. Now we will solve this question. Let's see. Four upon 20, if we multiply 4 1 ja 4, 5 4 ja 20, it will come 4/20. C will receive from A 4/20 plus C will receive from B 1 1 ja 1, 5 2 ja 10, 1/10. In this way we will find C's share. Now we will solve the question. 4/5 minus 4/20, if we multiply, as I have told you. Now we will solve this question. 20 will be the LCM. 5 4 ja 16. 20 1 ja 1 4 ja 4. 12/20 will remain. Now we will solve here. 1/5 minus 1 1 ja 1, 5 2 ja 10. Take LCM. 10 5 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 minus 10 1 ja 10 1 ja 10 1 1 ja 1/10 will come here. 20 will come. 20 1 ja 1 4 ja 4 plus 10 2 ja 2 1 ja 2. 6/20 will come. You are seeing the denominators of C and A are same, but B's denominator is different. So we will make it equal. If we multiply here 2, we will find 2/20. All the denominators have been equal. Now we will write new ratio. New ratio will be 12:2:6. Cut it short. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. So new ratio will be 6:1:3. So students, I think you have understood all the 10 situations when a new partner admitted in the firm. At that time, different type of situation are there. According to the problem, according to the condition, we will solve the problem and find a new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now till then, thank you.